The British nurse being treated for Ebola is receiving an experimental drug and blood from Ebola survivors. The hospital says Pauline Cafferkey is doing as well as can be hoped, but the coming days are critical. CCTV's Richard Bestic has more from London.
Ms. Cafferkey is receiving treatment confined to a quarantine tent here at the Royal Free, preventing any contact with family or medical staff. The doctor leading her treatment said much of it was experimental.
We've decided to treat her with two things, the first of which is convalescent plasma, and that means a product taken from the blood of another patient who's recovered from Ebola. And that product contains antibodies, and those antibodies, we hope, will help her fight the infection. The second thing that we've given her is an antiviral drug. It's an experimental antiviral drug. She's very well aware that this is experimental treatment. It's not proven to work. You're probably all aware that there is no specific treatment for Ebola that has been proven to work. And so we're just making choices from the available options that we have in concert with Pauline, who's helping us to make these choices.
The questions surrounding Ms. Cafferkey's treatment are mirrored by a wider concern over the failure of the UK's screening of volunteer health workers returning from battling Ebola in West Africa. Ms. Cafferkey had been tested twice, once departing Sierra Leone and once on arrival. Britain's chief medical officer is undertaking a review of procedures.
What has become clear to me is that the process was not as it should have been. There were queues. We knew 37 healthcare workers were coming in together. We did not have enough staff there from Public Health England. So we need to sort that out, and they need to make sure that when we next have a group coming in, we have sufficient people there.
Around 200 people in Britain have been assessed or tested for Ebola in recent months. Ms. Cafferkey, the first to have been diagnosed with the virus on British soil. Richard Bestic, CCTV at the Royal Free Hospital in London.